Hi, it's Raj, and this is the unboxing and quick look of the Mi Sports Bluetooth earphones basic, which I bought from Amazon India for around 500 rupees with cashback offers. So let's begin.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Here is the retail box. It's written splash and sweat proof. Okay, it's a good feature. So the box contents are 1 unit of earphones, 4 ear tip pairs, charging cable and user manual. Let's take the product out. So the charging cable could have been black. Then we have the ear tips, 4 extra pairs. This is the cord length adjuster. And then we have the earphones. Finally, we have the user manual. Let's quickly go through it. This says there are 2 types of ear tips in the package, closed and sound isolation. It's not that easy to change the ear tips. So these are the 2 types. Here are some of the parts as per the user manual. Then details about pairing, charging port, factory reset and other features of multi-function button. You can also connect 2 phones to this Bluetooth headset. We can switch between calls when connected to 2 devices. You can also control music apps using the headset buttons. Finally, here are some specs of the device. So it takes around 2 hours to full charge, which lasts for around 7 to 9 hours depending on the usage. You can use any 5-volt charger, preferably Mi standard charger. So here is the charging port. Let's try the cable. Oh, there is already some charge left, so I will go with pairing. But it is recommended to fully charge the device before first use. Let's hear some music. OMG, it's loud enough and the quality is good. That's a thumbs up. Okay, now I am testing the microphone of this Mi Bluetooth earphones basic. Hello, testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you hear me? So here is how to pair a second mobile with the headset. Turn off the headset first. Now press and hold the power button until you get into pairing mode. Now pair it with the second device. That's it. Sometimes I had to go to the previously connected devices in the settings to find the Mi headset. You can wear it around the back of the neck, but there is no neck band, and I think the weird ear holder is not good enough to keep the headset from falling off if you are doing any sport activity. That's a thumbs down. So that was the unboxing and quick look of the Mi Sports Bluetooth earphones. You can find the product link in the video description. That's it. Peace.